All right, here's a quick tutorial on how to add a grid to your 12 by 18 inch paper. I've got an 18-inch ruler and a clear 12-inch ruler, my paper, and a pencil. Make sure your name is somewhere on your paper. And then to make sure that your lines are straight and parallel, what you're gonna do first is go to the top of your paper and just make little tiny marks every 2 inches, and then do the same at the bottom of your paper. Make little marks every 2 inches, and then you have 2 points of contact so that you know that your lines are straight and that they're going to be even, so that your grid lines are nice and perfect. So I'd go all the way across. Then I'm going to do the same thing on my short side. So same deal. I can use this ruler if it's easier, or I can use the clear one. Do whatever's comfortable for you, but again, same deal. 2-inch marks on both sides, and then connect your lines. And there you go. Hope that was helpful.